So we'll call this patch number 3 in my getting to know the Facehugger clock sync module. So patch number 2 was using, so having an external ramp signal and showing how we could have the external ramp signal sort of trigger multiple times within one sequence. And the thought process was, well, can we have a ramp that goes over multiple sequences? And you can possibly, if you watched the last one and now you're watching this, see that the patch is even simpler than... so I tried to approach this in a couple of different ways that ended up being, let's say, more complicated than necessary. And I've learned something new about the clock sync module. So bear with me. What we've got is the just output from one Facehugger. So that's controlling a sequence, basically. So I'll turn down the CV that's going to the filter again. So we've got just Facehugger here controlling again the pitch of a sequence, and I'm using this this Facehugger for this. Then what I've got is the end of state, so that I think goes high, goes low. I don't know. On we'll have to look at that sometime. Changes state at the end of every sequence. And so where that is going is to the clock in on the clock sync. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to bump you. Okay, so that goes into the clock in on the clock sync. And then the ramp out from the clock sync is going to control the CV on the Facehugger the Flat Harmony Infernal Noise Machine again. Let me just turn down the sequence and turn up the CV on the filter. It's interesting. You can kind of hear that it's sort of this almost like steppy ramp wave. So it's stepping through a bunch of different values. So it's not a smooth ramp, which is kind of fascinating. So learning a bit more about the clock sync. But it's stepping through it, and we'll hear when we turn this up in time with the Facehugger. And let's do that now. And you might notice that I'm at division number 1 here. So division number 1's already taking several cycles of the Facehugger to actually step through the full ramp. So I can divide that down. Let's try it. Let's speed it up. So sped up the Facehugger and slowed down the clock sync. fun thing we can do with the Facehugger is change the number of steps that we're going through. Actually, let's try doing that on the clock sync as well and see what the dickens happens.